In the headlines today, pot shortens life, an apple a day keeps breast cancer away, and sleeping in linked to diabetes and heart disease. Men who are heavy pot smokers in their teens may not live as long as those who are not. 50,000 men who did compulsory military training in Sweden were followed from 1969 to 2011, and during those 42 years, about 4,000 men died. According to researchers from the Karolinska Institute, death from accidental injury or suicide was proportionate to the level of cannabis use, meaning those who were heavy users in their teens were 40% more likely to die by age 60 than those who had never used. So young people, being legalized or medicalized does not make cannabis safe. Fruit consumption during adolescence is associated with a lower risk of breast cancer, according to a recent study. New results from the Nurses' Health Study found that girls who eat 3 servings of fruit each day have a 25% lower risk of breast cancer compared with those eating just half a serving a day. For individual fruits and vegetables, eating more apples, bananas and grapes during adolescence and more oranges and kale during early adulthood were associated with significantly reduced risk of breast cancer. Fruit juice made no difference. And remember, if you enjoy the sweetness of a banana instead of a cookie, there's a double bonus. Disruptive sleep patterns such as waking early on weekdays and sleeping in at the weekends appears to increase the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Researchers asked 450 people to wear a wristband recording their sleep and movement 24 hours a day for 1 week. 85% of them slept longer on their days off than on work days. And those with the largest differences in their sleep schedules tended to have the worst metabolic parameters such as a higher cholesterol, fasting insulin, waist size and body mass index. This is in keeping with previous research linking obesity and impaired cardiovascular function with what scientists are now calling social jet lag. So if you have a high cholesterol, pre-diabetes or diabetes, you might want to keep a regular schedule on work days and days off. I'm Dr. Nerida McKibben, and that's today's Health News.